Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we'll be checking out the Bose 900 soundbar. Now this actually came out back in September and has been getting some really good reviews, so I thought I'd purchase one and give you guys my opinion on it, as well as do a sound test, so be sure to stick to the end of the video for that. So yeah, I got this and it cost about $900 US, excluding taxes or anything like that. With taxes, I believe it costs about $950. So you are expecting to pay a lot for this, but based on the reviews of the sound quality, I think it might be worth it if you're someone who really wants good sound while you're watching TV. So this speaker has Dolby Atmos built in, it has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth built in, it also has built-in voice control, so you can use Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant with it. So anyways, let's go ahead and unbox this so we can take a look at it. Now if you do enjoy these type of videos, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more videos in the future. It really helps out. Alright, so in the box you get a few things. First we get the remote, which I think is pretty standard with most soundbars. It has all of your basic remote control features such as volume up and down, power, play, pause, a Bluetooth button, and a number pad. Now it's all powered by two AAA batteries which are included inside the remote. Now based on some of the reviews I've read, the remote is a lot smaller than the last model. Personally, I don't like having a big remote with my devices. We also get the HDMI cable to connect it to your TV. Now this is required to be connected to either an eARC or ARC HDMI port, which is a little different from a standard HDMI port, so you need to make sure your TV has that. If it doesn't, they do include an optical cable and you can just connect the soundbar that way. We also have the power cord to, of course, power this thing on. And finally, we have this headset, which is basically used to calibrate the soundbar. Now, how this works is if you want to optimize the sound for this, when you're sitting down on a sofa, for example, you can wear the headset and the soundbar will calibrate to your position and your room. People have all different kinds of layouts in their homes, so a headset like this will be good to make sure the sound calibration is right. Okay, so here is the soundbar itself. I believe this is about 41 inches wide and 4 inches deep. It looks big when you stand right next to it, and my guess is that when it's on a shelf below a TV, it will look smaller. The actual weight on this thing is about 12 pounds, which is a lot lighter than I was expecting it to be. Bose says that it will make for a good match with TVs that are 50 inches or larger, so if you have a smaller TV, you can see how this thing might stand out a little bit, but it can still work and it shouldn't be a problem. Now this is the black version of the soundbar and you can get this in black and white. I prefer the black one, but the white one looks nice as well. Both are the same price. If you have other Bose speakers, it probably makes sense to get them the same color so that they all match. So the soundbar features an oval shaped design with wraparound metal grille, tight seams, clean lines, and a polished impact resistant tempered glass on the top. I have to say this tempered glass looks very nice, but it does seem to catch a lot of fingerprints, but the overall design is very sleek and looks premium just like any other Bose product. Alright, so if we flip to the back, we have all of our ports to make connections. Starting with the power port to connect the power cord, we also have the HDMI port, an optical port, an Ethernet port, and a USB port for service. You also have ports if you want to connect this to a bass module and an IR blaster. These are of course optional. Alright, now to the setup of the speaker. The setup was pretty easy. All I had to do was connect the soundbar to my TV via HDMI, and it instantly recognized the soundbar as an audio source. Now I did go ahead and set this up with the included headset. Basically I had to wear the headset and it asked me to sit in different positions while playing a noise each time. It was pretty easy to do and I can tell the difference in sound before and after doing this calibration. Alright, before I give you guys my opinion on the soundbar, here is just some sample audio. Okay, so I was pretty impressed with the sound. I do want to let you know that I'm coming from an old Vizio soundbar, but this thing blew my expectations away. Vocals and dialogues were crystal clear, and since I enjoy watching TV shows with a lot of dialogue, I was able to enjoy the clarity and subtle changes in the vocals that this soundbar delivered. Music was also very loud and dynamic. I tested out a bunch of songs for my Spotify, and it did a good job of delivering that accurate sound. I also watched a lot of movies with this. Now, I'm not going to say it's like sitting in a movie theater, but with a combination of Dolby Atmos and the speakers in this thing, the sound was extraordinarily good. I was hearing sounds coming from different places I didn't even expect. The bass was rich and punchy, and I likely won't be getting a subwoofer anytime soon because of how good the bass sounded. Overall, I really like the sound this thing produced, and while I'm not sure if it's worth $900, I do know that this thing blows away any speaker that you get with your TV or even some lower end soundbars. Since audio is so important to the TV watching experience, I think it's good to invest in a quality soundbar or speaker so you can fully experience TV shows and movies the way they are supposed to be viewed. Whether it's this Bose soundbar or some other speaker, I would advise anyone to upgrade their sound. In the description below, I've listed some links to other sound systems that have been getting good reviews in case this Bose speaker isn't for you. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.